Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having a recent price reduction, low miles, and a good deal. Features also include halogen headlamps, steering wheel controls, USB adapter, MP3, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, we are pleased to show you the 2016 Outlander Sport. The all-new Outlander Sport features a fuel-efficient engine paired to either a 5-speed manual or a continuously variable transmission, and comfortable accommodations for 5. Passengers will be treated to a refined ride in comfortable surroundings with a host of welcome features, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, stability control, intermittent wipers, engine immobilizer, FWD, 4-wheel disc brakes, tire pressure monitor. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.